Now we're going to do some skill mapping here. So what I'm going to do this, I'm going to go into employee development, and under skill analysis, I'm going to click on skill mapping profiles. So what we're going to come up with is that we have different profiles that's set up. So what we want to do here is I'm going to pick one of my profiles for, let's say, a sales associate analysis. And I'm then going to look at my result. I can look at it as a result, a report, or graphics. I'm going to look at it as a result in this particular case. So these are all the people that have that particular skill sets, and you can look at each individual person in here, and you can say that this will show you the percentage of the maximum points they can gain, and then you notice it's sorted by that. So Aaron Eklund, you can actually look here and look at his background and see the skills that he's got. And you can see that he's got all these particular skills, and these are all weighted based on his levels and so forth. You can look at another person, and he rated the highest, but we can look down here at somebody who's not rated very high, Michael Redmond, and look at his particular skill analysis. And you can see here that he's got a couple of the skills, a little bit, he's kind of a novice in some, and then he's a level 4, a little bit higher in some others. So that is how the skill mapping process works in here, is that you pick your particular, in this case we pick your particular skill. We can create a new mapping profile of a particular skill. You can see what they're looking for here in sales. You can see the skill sets that they've got set up: customer focus, sales calls, sales close. And we could set these up, and like we said, we're going to look at our particular result in this particular case and see who has a range of those skills. If we were to pick another one here, let's pick our executive search. You can see it needs public speaking, strategy, and trends. You can actually see the result here in who has those, and we can see who's got the most, as June Lowe has 75% percentage score of the needed skills. So we can actually look here at the skills of this person, of June. How did she get into that? She's got a very advanced of some of these skills. We can look back here and look at some of her other resume items. Let's say we want to look at her professional experience to see if there's anything in this particular one. So we had something as a project manager and so forth. So that is the skill mapping that we would use here to find people who would match a particular position that we have.